The following video illustrates the ease of installing FabriDuct using a cable suspension system. All of the components for installing FabriDuct arrives in a box delivered by FedEx. The cable suspension system, consisting of cable, eye bolts, turnbuckles, thimbles, band clamps, and rope clips, arrives shortly after we receive a signed sales agreement. The duct will be shipped approximately 2 weeks after that. Notice how the eye bolt and turnbuckle assembly are attached to the wall. Then the cable is threaded through the turnbuckle, around the thimble, and secured with 2 rope clips. This process is repeated on the other side of the building, and the cable is pulled tight before the rope clips are attached. A vertical is required to make sure the cable does not sag and stays parallel to the ground. This happens every 25 feet. In this installation, the mechanical contractor drilled through a beam and attached an eye bolt to accomplish the same purpose. Once the cable is secured and tightened with the turnbuckles, the duct is ready to be hung. There are 2 parts to the FabriDuct transition, an inner and an outer sleeve. The outer sleeve is pulled back and the inner sleeve is pulled over the plenum. The duct is then secured to the plenum with band clamps. Then the outer sleeve is pulled over the plenum to cover the band clamps. The duct is then clipped to the cable with great care being taken to keep it off the floor so it does not get soiled. This installation from start to finish took 2 men less than 4 hours. The cost savings alone on labor is substantial, and the end product not only offers better IAQ, internal air quality, but is more pleasing aesthetically. Should you need additional information, please feel free to contact us.